Today, we'll see what is sharding, how it works on blockchain, and its benefits. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Down to Crypto, where you will get all the crypto knowledge required. So without any further delay, let's get started. What is blockchain sharding? Blockchain has been a major driver of changes in the perception of value alongside the ways of conceptualizing money. Starting from cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology has been able to spark interest in the minds of many people throughout various industries. Many people have been turning towards blockchain networks, thereby increasing the traffic on the networks. In such cases, blockchain sharding has evolved as an answer to the scalability and congestion problems on blockchain networks. In the initial stages, blockchain was considered synonymous with cryptocurrencies. However, it has evolved into a larger ecosystem featuring the power of decentralization alongside introducing ledger and smart contract services in various applications. As the scope for applications of blockchain networks continues to rise, the demand for scalability is inevitable. How does sharding help in such cases? The following discussion helps you find an answer with an introductory guide to sharding on blockchain. Now, working of sharding. The understanding of blockchain or cryptocurrency sharding can become clearer with a deep dive into its work. First of all, it is important to note that sharding is applicable in cases where you have a large dataset for a single database. You can notice the same in Ethereum, where multiple developers are working on numerous projects on the platform. As of now, more than 3,000 apps work on the Ethereum blockchain, thereby implying the necessity of scalability through sharding. Sharding can help in dividing the network into smaller modules or partitions with the capabilities for processing more transactions every second. Even if the process of sharding seems simple, it involves many crucial components with vital functionalities. You can find the answers to "Is sharding good for blockchain?" by reflecting more on the working of sharding for blockchain. It is important to start the explanation of how sharding works by reviewing the functionalities of nodes. At the same time, you must also understand the mechanisms for storing and processing data. Nodes are one of the integral components in the blockchain network model. Without nodes, it is practically impossible to access blockchain data. All the nodes in a blockchain network stay connected with each other alongside exchanging data consistently to stay updated. In simple words, nodes serve the foundation layer of blockchain and work on important functions. They support the storage, preservation, and expansion of data throughout the infrastructure. Now you must be thinking, what is its purpose and why it's important? So let's see. Blockchain networks are only capable of processing a limited number of transactions at once because all nodes need to establish a consensus on the legitimacy of a transaction before it can be processed. Every node in the blockchain will typically retain the whole history of the blockchain and will process every transaction. It is because of this that blockchain networks such as Ethereum and Bitcoin may be described as decentralized. Data compression. Because every full node has its copy of the network's full history, it is far more difficult for hostile actors to take control of the network and potentially undo or modify transactions. Maintaining blockchain decentralization and security, however, comes at the expense of the technology's scalability. Sharded blockchains enable nodes to avoid downloading the whole history of the blockchain or validating every transaction that passes through the network. This improves the performance of the network and makes it possible for blockchains to grow to handle a greater number of users. Scalability. The most important advantage of applying sharding to a blockchain is an increase in its scalability. A blockchain can link additional nodes and store greater information through the use of sharding, all without significantly slowing down transaction times. This has the potential to hasten the implementation of blockchain technology across a variety of industries, not the least of which is the financial industry. Fintech businesses that use blockchain technology may find it easier to compete with centralized payment systems if transactions can be completed more quickly. Better accessibility. The increased network involvement and improved accessibility to users are two additional benefits that may be derived from sharding. It is anticipated that Ethereum's sharding would reduce the amount of hardware required to run a client, making it viable to do so on a consumer device such as a personal computer or even a mobile phone. As a result, more individuals will have the opportunity to participate in the network. If you ask me, is sharding good on a blockchain? The most important advantage of applying sharding to a blockchain is an increase in its scalability. A blockchain can link additional nodes and store greater information through the use of sharding, all without significantly slowing down transaction times. Hope you liked this video. In case of any doubts, please ask your questions in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to the channel for more such amazing videos. Peace out.